Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I will show you step by step how to unblock someone on Threads. I will be covering two different methods inside the application and a couple of important notes so that you don't miss anything. So without further delay, let's get straight into it. First of all, you need to launch your Threads application on your phone and make sure that you are signed in into your account. Now over here you can tap on this search icon and type the person's username here in the search bar and you can open their profile. Now once you are inside the profile of that person whom you have blocked, you are going to see the three dots in the top right hand corner of the screen. If you have blocked that person, you are going to see the unblock option over here. So you can tap on the option of unblock and confirm, and that's it, they are now unblocked. Now in the method 2, if you don't remember the username of the person whom you have blocked and now you are thinking of unblocking all of them you have blocked, so in order to get it, simply tap on your profile icon in the bottom right hand corner of the screen. Over here tap on these three lines in the top right hand corner. So here you will see a bunch of different options. So tap on the option of privacy. In privacy, the fourth option will be of blocked profiles. So tap on blocked profiles. Over here you will see the list of all of the profiles that you have blocked. So in order to unblock, simply tap on the unblock option right next to that particular username whom you want to unblock basically. Then tap on the option of unblock and press OK. Now they can view your public post and interact with you again. Following isn't restored automatically, so you will need to refollow each other if you want. Now if you have muted them before, mute settings are separate. You can check the notifications or their profile option. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.